Go and take stone. Go and give it to Akufo-Addo. Go and take stone. Find stone. Go and pick stone. And say, Nana, Boni, oh, Boni. Akufo-Addo said it. NDC, have you seen?
All right, so for me didn't no go to artist high Ghana Asem CV. But say, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share about comment section. Abusha for the way the dollar is running. I say Addo forcing. I say forcing and foreseeable. The way and manner the dollar is running from the CD is not encouraging at all. And the people are predicting say by the close of this month, and I said this month in the year, 17 cities. The dollar is going to be at 17 cities by the close of this month because the rate at which the dollar is running it's alarming. And no, and I'm gonna force it. Lanado danko Akufo-Addo, beji ubo. I was in another way. Beji ubo danado danko Akufo-Addo ni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Mubuani yo, mubuani mubeje, mudiyane white. Because mukaye bayantie. Why they say, oh, near mana air kosuno. These people are doing artificial dollar rate just to impress their followers, man. We have seen the reality on the ground. As at now, President John Dramani Mahama has not paid workers. It was started Juma Papa Bia po da EU and no po na dollar no. Jani say inti se was started. So was started Juma na nyamana e besi wo krom ha no. Ebusiafo wo ma yenko tie ne Ghana fo and Ghana journalists eka.
Go and take stone. Go and give it to Akufo-Addo. Go and take stone. Find stone. Go and pick stone. And say, Nana, Boni, oh, Boni. Akufo-Addo said it. NDC, have you seen? Have you seen it? Please, there's an Akufo-Addo photograph where the NDC have been using where he's doing this. If you get it, if you have it, give it to me. NDC, have you seen what they've done to you? NDC people were laughing at Akufo-Addo. They say he's too short, so he cannot see. So something. Look at what they've done. How can Ghana move from what date is this? Where is the date? 20th August. President John Dramani Mahama, speaking in Japan, quotes the same Bloomberg. Mahama touts Ghana's cedi as world's best performing currency. It's not an analysis that John Mahama himself did. It's an analysis that Bloomberg did. And they reported on it that Ghana's currency is the best performing. Today, September 4 or so, then they come back and say, Ghana's cedi now world's best, worst performing currency. From August to September, you are talking about the whole world of 100 and something countries. Ghana can move from number 1 up to number 0. Go and take stone. Go and give it to Akufo-Addo. Go and take stone. Find stone. Go and pick stone and say, Nana, Boni, oh, Boni. Akufo-Addo said it. Now let's forget about these rating agencies and build our own. Oh, they say it's too short. It's just it's that. He should clear off. He's mismanaging the economy. Have you seen what has happened? They will do this to us until we go and resurrect Kwame Nkrumah from the grave that Akufo-Addo built for him beautifully at the Accra place there, and let him come and say again that we will get independence to show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. Akufo-Addo said it. So me tomorrow, I'll take my stone from here. I will drive to Laboni, Akufo-Addo's office. I'll go and knock at his door. I will see Niteko Tego. I will push him out of the way. I will go to Akufo-Addo's office. He will ask me that, what am I doing here? I'll say, Nana, this is your stone. He will ask me that, what's the stone for? I said, when you said that we should get our own rating agencies and we were all shouting at you, this is your stone. Now the rating agencies in 3 weeks have moved Ghana from the best performing currency to the worst performing currency. NDC, have you seen? Have you seen it? Please, there's an Akufo-Addo photograph where the NDC have been using where he's doing this. If you get it, if you have it, give it to me. NDC, have you seen what they've done to you?
NDC abaye nima guase. Ato force na nima guase. Ya mampa yi John Dramani Mahama na nima guase.
Ye bomu a no kre ne dikan.
Amuba mono betra konwa so. January 7, 2025. Yedi financial munsam afa ye hu se Sydney Yahoden, Sydney Yahoden, Sydney Yahoden. Yes, Addo is forcing. Maybe Jina Hakatrum say, hey, Omuboa. Omuya Turkish Abai. Unia will be a Turkish. Eh, ya dia hwenanim na tie ne kasa.
Etumpan.
Wa kan na chena bisanse den na wo kae. Ubonso hu de wo kae na wo sensem. Sa Sydney no na enya ahoden no. I'm telling you today. Your forest reserve MPP Aban no ho sa wo man ko ahuhihiam sika bia ni o man ni mu a ye de ensa bebom ni abehwe wo man no na omu yi $4 billion e de pushi Sydney no se na be Sydney benya ahoden against the dollar.
Etumpan.
I am a four bab on timber boy BOG amane say hey munyai mu dada man for se no ma kona nye. Mu ma ye hu economy no se na e grow. Na munya artificial no ma no amanfo say MF ankasa ena o ma anye say ena e koduru he
ne ka na da ho no
ena Bloomberg for reporter ba ne say ye sidi no a ye say ye NDC aban ba eno ma ye no ye say the worst performing currency the whole world sika mu ha sika sabi be munya duru sika odi ye hwe nya ye ye say ye sidi no Menya na make a Bloomberg report about Bonteno no.
107.3.
Asase pono no. Na transibisa ho say. First 5 months of NDC under John Dramani Mahama and then the finance minister Addo forcing. Ayada na sidi ni timi nya hode. Now within 2 weeks bram.
Way boy.
Sidi na bofom.
Wash.
First quarter.
Etumpan.
Second quarter.
Jenia kasa.
Na sidi no ahoden. And when NDC ni kasa wo nidi na kom de no kra na wo nwene asem o kan say na say ye ba ye sidi na ye ba quarter 3 of 2025 sidi no e da form say bram
usre da wo de gi a ye de ba ma obufu so na ye say ye de ba ma
ahode ni sidi no bio and within a space of 2 weeks bisa NDC aban bisa to forcing na bisa John Dramani Mahama say within a space of 2 weeks then a sidi na hoden atiaba for ma trem. And I see the worst performing currency. Bisomo. Mampai John Dramani Mahama ko Tokyo. 9th Tokyo International Conference on African Development. 20th August 2025. Now percent Japan for be invest in Ghana. What catch them so you sit in there. Aye ye pa we are seeing you sit in there holding pa against the dollar. Bisanse sit in there holding when he be.
Way.
Bisomo.
Way.
Aye artificial services and na BOG omode man this yaban
ne ka na da ho no
ye pesa sabe ye sidi no emu ye duru na Ghana for hu se ba ye no ya sesa no ma eno ma ekoye ti ye pompi sika from BOG ne ye dey be support sidi no na sidi na nya hoden enya gain more than the dollar ne ye boy ensem ne ye sidi okuruma ye dada ye ho why na wo dada no
107.3
asase pono no ye se usisi ananse a usisi ho akwa ya petanu no mam usisi ananse a usisi ho ye sisi ye ho ye nunu ye ho na ye sere because of politics
ne ka na da ho no
masidi ni nyina ne na so kwan afa so ma ni gina na so no magana fo hu eyen kakra kakra ne betuma pagya magana fo nte ase we obi nche obi nkum pata medada Ghana fo ma ye mewie eme ho mekere ye and omo nim kwan a omo fa so a ombe masidi na tim anya hoden and na wo call banks a u dollar no nya bi Oko banka dollar unya bi abochifo ne kita dollars no enti demand aye high sabe ye kosa busumi we mu from September October November December e be di burunya omo de dollars kwa burochire kofa no ma ba Ghana no omo de dollars ne kofa no ma ne ba enti wokọ sabe bank na sika ne bi no ha wokọ abochi wo demand on abochi na high enti demand on abochi ne high definitely dollar no ebe kosoro nti de na mo ya no na mu nunum ho na mo se na mu gu Ghana fo anim ase
ne ka na da ho no
wo ya ndisi ni a suti ase wo ya to force na suti ase wo ya mampa John Dramani Mahama ma dada Ghana fo too much and
I can tell you say dollar no ebetwem 20 Ghana cedis next year echo $1 will be more than 20 Ghana cedis next year echo and it is not about politics. Unim why? Mame church for mame educate Ghana for kakra. Enya politics. Oh say dollar sem no any sa you know sometimes ya near the politics but dollar na nkasa no na hoɔden ehwane kakra abra yɛra Biden no mu efi akonya so no na Trump buy no on shut down to tone nneɛma NCC eye no ma cedi na hoɔden ebepegya esen dollar no right because na afei na president foforo ayeden aba kan hu sɛ Donald Trump boy businessman na say a obaye wakɔ Qatar wakɔ Saudi Arabia wakɔ some of these oil gulfs no honom no sika nko a ɔkɔkɔgye efi ɛhonom no efi Qatar Saudi Arabia ɛne ɔmanum ne baabi ɔkɔ ani nyinaa no ɛyɛ over 13 trillion a ɔde kɔhyɛ na economy on start you 2 onim sɛ Apple iPhone ya yɛ use na nkomo assemble bibia ɛwɔ China sika na nkomo de ma China nko a yɛ over $700 billion Trump buy also on tiase Apple South Chinese ayina sika na omo de kɔma your friend Apple score de ma China mo assemble wɔ hɔ no ni nyina no sisi a Apple eyi sa contract no ontwam na ɔfanya den enfambre US sika over $700 billion ena ekwa akɔhyɛ economy 3 nyame adoma wiase afa na nyina ekwa akɔhyɛ World Cup ɛwɔ hemfa USA wiase afa na nyina obi ekwa akɔdi ni sika ɛwɔ USA the projected value a almost say dollar no nko a omode be share economy mu say obi afi wiase afa na nyina eba be share World Cup ekwa akɔdi sika no wɔ dollar no America no ebema dollar na ho de epeja among any other currency in the world because we are here for nyina is trooping to one place it is kanko America benya over the World Cup no over $3 trillion now wo Ghana na wo no one district one factory na nka wo de be production no esan say wo ye aban foforo no aban dada ne na nka de adwuma no oba wo de ato nche
na factories ne bi ho
bebre na ye adwuma